the
Madam Chair.
Honorable Lawrence Defensor, and then the Honorable Benny Abante.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Ang pagbubukas po ng mga box ay nagbabago ng kapalaran ng ating bansa. Nakita na natin yan ng 2001. At tandaan po natin at wag na wag nating kakalimutan na ang impeachment is the highest form of national inquest to determine the accountability and fitness of the highest leaders of the country. Dapat pong mabuksan ang box na yan dahil pag hindi nabuksan yan, parang tayo ang gumawa ng betrayal of public trust. We should let the Filipinos see what's inside that box and allow the members of this committee to assess what evidence is inside the box. Kung ito ba ay nakapagpapatatag ng ebidensya laban sa Vice President o makakasuporta sa respondent at sa kanyang posisyon na siya ay walang kasalanan. Madam Chairman, there is no other mandate for the House of Representatives having the sole power to initiate impeachment complaints but to open the evidence and to let the members assess and decide for themselves how it will play a part in the exercise of their vote in this committee and in plenary. Thank you so much, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Lawrence Defensor.